Hey folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you. Today, I got an opportunity for everybody out there. You've been thinking of going green and want to start your own system. Well, I got a starter kit here for you. One that you can always build on and add on in the future, but best off to get started somewhere. What I have here is 3 Canadian Solar 325 watt modules, so we almost have a full kilowatt of solar. We also have the flash feet for mounting. The rails get mounted on the flash feet. We got all the bolts and hardware, including the module mounting clamp, center and end. I got ground clamps. I even got the wire clips and the end plugs for the rails. But most importantly on my systems, what I have, not only the wiring drops to go with the Enphase microinverters, but I'm going to supply you with IQ7 or IQ7 Plus microinverters, which are top of the line in the market. They come with a 25-year warranty, which is unparalleled, and that matches a 25-year warranty on most modules. So I'm telling you, you start out with this, or you want to put in a full system, you want to do anything in between. I'm here to help you design it. I'm here to help you put it in. I'm here for all the technical advice you need. I'm here to help you get started. So when the next stimulus check comes around, maybe you might want to start with a system like this for around $1,400 instead of running out and spending that on something useless. Hey, when it's time to start your DIY project and you need some help, check out my website at gogreenenergyonline.com or give me a call at 952-334-6400.